version of these slides.
In other words, it's just called justification.
Well, not just justification, because it's not just terrestrial markets we're talking about.
Right,
it's
right.
also markets in space and prospective missions and how they get their power.
Right, that's true. But,
Yeah.
but in terms of politics and general public awareness, the justification is a big issue. And people finally realize, once all these different states have, say, 25% of their power on windmills and ground solar, and they're having real problems with outages, worse and worse and worse, because there's not enough base load, more people finally start wondering what alternatives are there. And we need to keep reminding them that there is an alternative.
Yep. No, very true. Okay. With that, unless somebody else has something pressing to say today.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, very good. Go
I
ahead.
just want to throw this out there because, I watched Elon Musk talk about, he wants to make Mars more livable, and he was, I'm just putting this out there, okay? He's talking jokingly with Stephen Colbert on the Colbert Report about putting thermonuclear weapons to warm up the poles so that Mars is more livable. I know that you guys were thinking about another purpose for the solar power satellite. Could you use it for that purpose to help him do that? Maybe you can start a collaboration. I know it's kind of crazy, but he's crazy, so I figure, why not?
Who are you talking about?
Musk.
Oh, okay. I can have an answer for that after this.
Okay.
After
Yeah,
this
I think he's seen Arnold Schwarzenegger
Yeah, he did? Okay.
a little too frequently. That a Total Recall is a fine action film,
Right.
but unless ancient aliens have stored vast quantities of ice mixed with oxygen at the Mars poles, it's unclear to me if the fairly thin layer of carbon dioxide ice is going to be sufficient to make a big difference. And I think the consequences of detonating nuclear weapons on Mars would be so far-reaching.
We're not sure if that was said in jest or not, but there's a complete alternate way that produces no radiation and is needed anyways, and I can explain it.
This is from Star Trek.
Yeah, I know that.
It was in The Next Generation.
But there's another way to do it. Completely separate.
Anyway.
So using solar power satellite technology for this
Yeah.
is not very realistic.
Yeah.
The bottom line is that Mars, just like the moon, is subject to cosmic radiation. So even if you gave it an atmosphere,
Briefly.
you couldn't live on the surface.
And it would be briefly,
Period.
because it would get blasted away again to hold it. Right.
Significant air loss takes place
one at a time.
over hundreds of millions of years.
Only if you start with significant air.
Yet, so we have to replenish on Mars.
I just don't think you'd ever do it with a little bit of CO2 on the poles.
nitrogen atmosphere you need can be replaced in about 150 years, period.
If there's enough in the outer
And
solar.
then
Okay,
there's no
okay.
radiation.
Sorry, I didn't mean to stir that.
That's okay. Setting that aside,
Mars, Musk, and thermonuclear are all in the same sentence.
it's true. That's true. Okay. If not, thank you. Don't say anything yet. No, please, if you'd like to. It's now, I think, Gary, are you amenable to it officially being 4:30?
Officially being
Which inch do you want?
I know it is.
4:30, yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna propose that. Gary, you want to make an announcement concerning dinner?
Yes, we have reservations at 7. To actually be at the restaurant at 7. For up to 30, I've got 25 or so folks on the list so far.
And the name of the restaurant itself is what? Let's remember that. There might be more than one
And which
restaurant.
hotel is it in?
It's at the Hilton. Endimino. Andiamo.
And
And if we step out the front door of the Sheraton Gateway and we
left.
turn which way?
left.
Let Gary answer.
I was looking for the map, and I do not have that answer.
But at any event, it's
Is
the Hilton.
hotel away
It's the
from
Hilton.
This is a
it's a block and a half
It's
from here.
away from the airport, right?
I have no idea, which is why I'm
One
asking.
important point.
I will ask.
I believe, do you mean Homewood Suites by Hilton? Because there's also a Hilton a mile down the road.
No, this is a block and a half from here.
Yeah, I think that might be the Homewood Suites.
Maybe it's toward the airport there. I thought there was a
And
Homewood.
it shows up in Stilton Wax.
All right.
Okay, and
What's the restaurant called?
Andiamo. Okay.
Hold on a second.
Folks, this evening, at 9 p.m. in the presidential suite, room 1559, there's a reception co-sponsored by Mankins Space Technologies and XISP Inc. And the National Space Society.
Yeah.
That, that'll be at 9 after dinner.
Running out of room.
Use GPS.
So,
Yeah.
I tried to find that answer. It's not been cooperative.
Gary, what's the name of the restaurant again?
Andiamo.
Andiamo.
Corresponded with him in the past.
So,
I mean, and that's what these are just.
I'm 711.
Well, I mean,
He's aware of how sensitive it is. But I've seen several analyses that
I haven't heard you describe it. Something like this. I guess for the big crimes.
for decades and decades, every half an hour.
So, a quick reference. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Could I have your attention, please? Hello, hello. Gentlemen. Gentlemen, just a second.
What happened? Sorry. Did you not?
Okay. So, Andiamo Restaurant is at the Hilton Los Angeles Airport Hotel.
Address of the hotel?
I'm doing one thing at a time. 5711 Century Boulevard.
Okay, so that's about 4 blocks.
Oh,
And it is,
Maybe.
it is to the left. 1, 2, 3. It's just about four blocks, but they're fairly long blocks.
Should we meet in the lobby and then go to?
No, because we don't all walk at same speeds. No, but, so Andiamo Restaurant, if that's the restaurant,
That's the restaurant.
is at the location specified. That's 33 degrees, 56 minutes, 44.6 seconds north, 118 degrees, 22 minutes, 56.1 seconds west. And it is away from the airport, and it's longer than a block and a half. But it is on Century Boulevard, and it should be on the corner at the Hilton Los Angeles. Okay, thank you. Please go back about your business. Sorry, thank you. Oh, that concludes the official session for today. If anyone would like to see the tokamak, come back in 20 years and go to France. If you'd like to see a physics demonstration of space solar power, Paul Jaffe has one here in the front,
My cell phone.
and you can see it right now.
The only catch is I can't be honest though.
This shoe heel was on the floor between one of the rows.
Okay.
Somebody is missing a heel somewhere from a shoe.
You're limping, now you know why.
I'll go. I just can't right here from the airplane. Awesome. I really appreciate it. Oh, no problem.
You just said
Absolutely.